We have a famous personality amidst us today. It's very difficult to get a person of his stature to spend an hour with us all the way from Chennai. I thank you, Gopi, for coming, taking your time out and coming here to be with us. He doesn't need much of introduction. Most of you would have seen him. A very lively chat show which he does, which is internationally acclaimed, one of the best chat shows of the region. And he is known for jack of all trades and master of interviews. Has got a lot of international accolades for his profession. Good to see always a person who is passionate and committed to the profession what he takes. He's moved on and he is now a motivational speaker. And we look forward to listen to Gopi. And you know, it is very inspiring when we get to know people of this stature talking to us, how they come up and what is the perception towards life, how do we take innovation to the next level, how do we identify our opportunities and bridge it. We get to read a lot of books, we get to see a lot of chat shows, but it's nice to listen to people lively talking about their exposure and experience and the attitude with which they worked all the way and what they have in plans in the days to come. Over to Gopi now.
How many people are comfortable with Tamil also? Do you want me to go ahead continuously in English or you want me to mix Tamil and English? Okay, let us go for voting since the elections are coming nearby. How many people want this speech 100% English? Okay, how many people want this Tamil and English mix? Majority is going for Tamil and English mix. Okay, let me try to make it in such a way. If you guys can't understand Tamil, please ask the nearby guy, no issues. First of all, I would like to thank Sri Shakti College for the greatest opportunity that was given to me for India Leadership Summit 2011. Personally, more than on a business relationship, personally, Mr. Thangaveli is one of my mentor. Generally, I used to say, educationalists should be the boss of an institution so that they can understand better what is the expectation of the students and need of the nation. I don't see this program as a normal program when comparing the other cultural activities or the conferences which is regularly happening in the colleges all over the country. I see it's a very specific thing. It's a niche crowd, maybe a very special crowd. No more flashes, sorry. Oh, last. After that, don't worry, I'll try to give a post like this. Try to be attentive a little more. You guys are selected through a proper way of presentation and other things so that I see these people are the ambassadors or the representatives of the rest of the community, that is the student community. I used to ask this question wherever I go to the students. Who is the number one populated country in the world? China. Let it be both the sides here. I should not be a speaker. I want to be an interactive mode. Who is the second largest populated country in the world? India. Very good. Who is the third largest populated country in the world? Who is the third largest populated country in the world? If you know the answer, please stand up and say. Yeah, please. Oh no, you are a student. Then I want some of the student to answer this question. Who is the third largest populated country in the world? Whatever it is, at least somebody will say Libya, Sri Lanka, whatever it is, say something. Who said Russia? Russia too. Then, no Russia. Pakistan, close by. Sorry? United Kingdom, no. United Kingdom is like this. They ruled us, that's all. Brazil, you're close by. Afghanistan, no. Mexico, no. Canada, no. Argentina, no. Japan. I didn't ask you what are the countries you know in the world. I was asking you who is the third largest populated country in this world. USA. See, after 10 wrong answers, we found the answer USA. Okay, Who said USA? Yes. Congratulations, but I would like to know what is the population of US, United States of India? Huh? 200? 239 million means, tell me in crores. 239 million. Huh? 27. I want somebody to initiate, let us talk. That is the biggest problem of India. We talk wherever it's not necessary. We never talk wherever it is necessary and wherever it is needed. Who has the answer? 23? 23.9 crores nearby. Then? 40 crores? Is it in a bidding or what? 23.9, 40 crores. Approximately 30 crores. 32, 31 crores. 120 crore approximately in China. In India approximately 110 crores, whereas if it is America, the third largest populated country, have only 30 crore of the population. நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் number 1 தெரிஞ்சது, number 2 தெரிஞ்சது, because we always want to know the number 1. Number 2 is us, so we know that. The problem is we don't want to know the third one, the alternative knowledge. Is it the biggest question in the world or what? Did I ask anything, something, what is the degree of Siberia? Illiye. I just asked you a very common question. Third standard பையனுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருக்க வேண்டிய ஒரு மிக முக்கியமான விஷயம். Third largest populated country அமெரிக்கான்னு தெரியாததுனால நமக்கெல்லாம் ஒன்றும் தெரியாதுன்னு அர்த்தம் இல்லை. The question here is, we don't want to know whichever is not necessary to me. Necessary means for my job, for my salary, for my appreciation, or for my cultural activity. எனக்கு இது நேரடியாக தேவையில்லை என்று நான் நினைக்கிறேனோ அது பற்றி தெரிந்து கொள்ளுகிற ஆர்வம் எனக்கு இருப்பதில்லை. Everybody have a vision about the future, but that vision is banned by me. நானே ஒரு பேன் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கிறேன். Everybody have an idea. Everybody want India to be very prosper. Everybody want a healthy nation. Everybody want a better world, successful people. Everybody want to be rich. Everybody want to do something for the society. Everything is want to be.